In this video I will show you how you can create the exterior elevation view of the buildings. When you have this building, draw layout. This is 4 view: east, west, north, south. If you click here, it will be show. Then again go first floor. If you click here, it will be show other side. Then you can go here. Secondly, in the project browser, if you go here after view, here will be show you elevation building. If you click east, it will be show east, north, south and west. And here you can change also. Here visualize, here you can make fine also, it will make more detail. And here you can change wireframe, you can change here hidden line, you can change here shaded, you can change here elastic. So all view here. If not coming here, for example, you have like this one, you can see here something like here delete, it's not coming. So then you have to go in the view. When you in the view, you will see here elevation. Just click here create elevations and put here again. See, when you delete here appear only 3/4 one not there. You can bring from here and click here and see here is coming, and click here, it will be show you again. So like this one you can create your view again, and this view just show here elastic, it will be coming. So normally it's not missed, coming here, and then you will see all view here. So in this video you can create all elevations like this one from the project browser, and you can see this one. And this writing if coming very big, you can select this one and go here in the scale, you can change the scale also. See, I will click here and make scale is here 500, it will be big. If I make here 100, it will be showing small. So you can see all elevations from the project browser. And if you want to make this one in the sheet, just click here, right click, new sheet, and open here, and you can see this view just like this. Here it becoming building view 1, building view 2, building view 3, like this one you can place in the sheet also. And you can, is this coming very big, this is small, just see here what scale 200, just click here, make also 200, it will be coming equal like this. All view you can adjust this one. So you can see view here, and the sheet you can create, then you can Control P, make as a PDF. Thank you so much.